Excuse me, sir.
Where's your majesty?
Here, sir.
Yo, it's crazy, son.
Excuse me. I don't use talk like that, okay? I'm gonna go hop in the Rolls.
This thing is insane.
Cushions, bro. The headrest cushions.
Oh, look, see how there's glass to separate so you don't have to sit with the luggage?
Yo, look at this. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. This is nuts. You know what I mean? You gotta separate yourself from your luggage. That's nuts, Neil. Why you gotta pull up like that, bro? Why?
Oh, really?
Yo, why you can't be normal, bro? Why you can't be normal?
I am normal.
Nah, why you can't? This is normal?
This is normal to him. That's
I know. Why you can't be normal, bro?
Oh, it's power? Yeah, the new one. These are the new ones. They don't have an old one of these. Oh, the new
ones. Cullinan, baby. This is nuts, though, man. Let's get the rolls out the way, you know what I mean? The boss,
here.
The Audi gotta come out, you know what I'm saying? With the boss man, you know what I'm saying? Woo! Y'all see it. Lord. Oh, I don't even want to step in here, B.
I don't even want to go back into my own car.
Don't worry. But I still don't even want to step in here. Yo, and he mad, lean back, man, like, straight old school.
The button under the dash. Look under
I was
the
about
dash.
to say, I gotta close this myself.
Hit the button under the on top.
Okay. You gotta be on? Nah.
Yo, we all like kids in this toy store.
I know y'all couldn't hear it, but the car did just start. I know y'all couldn't hear it. Matter of fact, come here with me, dog. Y'all come in here with me, man. Y'all come in here. Let's chill a little bit. You know what I'm saying? We gonna chill in the Rolls. You feel me? You know what I mean? We just gonna pop out with the lockout. All right, cool. We just gonna move it out the way real quick. You know what I mean? Make sure we don't hit nothing, cause we can't afford this. You know what I'm saying? We in that you can't afford this Rolls truck. Anyway, I like this, man. This is something you get though. This is something you get when you just, you know, want to show out ridiculous. Like, or you just want the ultimate, you want an SUV, but you don't want a regular SUV. You want to be ultra luxury. So that's what all of this is, man. This is ultra luxury right now. And that's what we in. That's what this about. I tell you, man. Y'all M2Fers get to do some sick stuff with me, man. Y'all get to chill in the Cullinan with me. Cullinan. Y'all see that? Hold on, let me make sure I get that clear. Cullinan. Yo, hop in, bro.
It's crazy.
Hop in with me, man. Let's chop it up, Chris.
New whip alert?
No, somebody else's new whip alert. I ain't on these levels. White seats and all that.
This is crazy.
Jesus, you just closed the door yourself? Yes, you gotta open your own door, Chris.
Ghetto.
I know, right? You gotta open your own door. It closed itself, but you know what I mean?
I gotta open my own.
You gotta open your own door, brother. You gonna direct me in, right? Right, Chris?
Yeah.
I got you. I got it. You. You know what I mean? Chill. I got that. You know what I mean? Button right here.
Just hit your spot.
All right, cool. Yo, bro, you saying all this stuff to do. I don't know how to do all of this, man. Come on, bro.
Oh, there we go.
Wow. Yeah, it's running.
Yeah, shit.
Wow.
Get in it closer.
Wow. Woo. It's something else, ain't it, bro? Jesus Christ.
Yo, you see the fucking look.
Look at the fridge.
Oh,
Show him the fridge, G. Show him the fridge. Come on.
Oh, well, I'm trying to balance myself because I don't put my foot on the carpet.
For the bitches.
I ain't trying to put my foot down. Oh,
Got
my
another
God.
one over here.
Oh, my God. They are ready.
Living, son.
How you like it so far?
It's good. It's cool.
It's good? It's cool?
Look at that.
It's good. It's cool.
It's cool. It's alright.
Oh, my God. Jeez. Okay.
One day, man. One day, brother.
This is the life, huh?
One day.
This is what we got to look forward to.
This is it, man. This is what we gonna work hard so that we can move a car in the parking lot. That's what we gonna work hard for. So we can move somebody else's car in the parking lot. You know what I mean? But hey, we closer than most of y'all, motherfuckers.
Yep. I'm sitting in the back. I got my driver over here driving the car.
Eugene Maserati up on the lift. You know what I mean? Getting alignment done, and we out here rolling around the parking lot in a Rolls Royce Cullinan. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? It's different. It's
different.
Level.
See, we do this all for y'all.
You know
we do
what?
it for y'all.
It's such a hard job.
It really is.
It's such a hard job, right, Gene?
Very hard.
You know what I mean? Who wants to do this type of shit?
Who?
Nobody wants to do this type of shit. Nobody wants to do all of this work.
I mean, why would you want to do this stuff?
Driving around in a Rolls Royce truck? Brand new.
What do they call it? A Cullinan?
Cullinan.
Cullinan.
Here?
Cullinan.
Here, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Where's your majesty?
Here, sir.
Yo, it's crazy, son.
Excuse me. I don't use talk like that, okay? we don't speak like that, you know what I mean? But we gonna hop out anyway. That was fun. You know what I mean? We got to taste a little something. You know what I mean? But we gonna hop out now.
Come open my door.
You can't open the
Oh. There we go.
I'm sorry, sir. I got you, sir. I got you, sir. Oh, hold on. I need to, you know what I mean? I need to make sure they see you, bro. I need to make sure. Hey, excuse me. Excuse me, my brother. Was your ride satisfactory, sir? Did I do a good job? Do I get a tip?
No.
God damn it. This is before the 24s go on. This is with the stock. I think these are probably 22s. Yep, stock 22s. This is before the 24-inch 4Gs go on. Another shot, little before joint, before the 24s go on. And this right here, though, you can see the pearl in the paint. Y'all see that pearl in that paint? Yeah. Y'all see it. So no matter which way you move, the Rolls Royce just, you know what I mean?
Doesn't matter which way you throw the
Don't matter. Don't matter. It don't matter, Neil. It don't matter. Exactly. Y'all go check this out right here, man. VMA Auto Collision. VMA Auto Collision on IG. VMA Auto Collision on Google. Whatever you want, brother. Yeah, this is the levels they work with. We just tried these wheels on, these 4G Autos that was on his Dawn before. But unfortunately, the bolt pattern is different between a Dawn and a Cullinan. They must use different platforms. So it's not going to work. So it's still on stock for right now, but he ordered. Yo, Neil, what'd you say you ordered already for this?
46-inch 4G.
That's going to be coming soon, I guess. When we get the 4Gs on there, we'll do a whole full video review on this for y'all. But for right now, you know, we don't really do stock cars. Yeah, so we back in Eugene's Maserati right now. How the alignment feel, bro?
Much better.
Much better?
Yeah.
Feel good? Good. Yo, no offense, you my man. I love Eugene. I swear I do, bro.
This ain't no damn Cullinan.
But being in here, feel cheap.
Word.
Compared to the Cullinan, bro. God, that car, man. Yo, what's your thoughts on that joint, bro?
Yeah, I see why it's $500,000.
$500,000.
$500,000. I mean, you paying for the luxury, straight up.
Everything you touch feels expensive.
Kind of reminds me of that video we did on the Rolls. Go back and check that.
The Rolls Royce what?
Ghost.
That's right, yo. You know what? But that, honestly, yo,
This
that
is
truck
on a
was
whole
even
nother
another level.
This is another level.
That was another level on that truck. I guess
It
you
had
could
two
see.
fridges. It had two fridges in that damn car. One on the center console and
filmed?
one other in.
You filmed that, didn't you?
Golly.
Well, Anyway,
I feel depressed.
what's up, M2Fers? Don't y'all want to see that on the channel, like at the channel card?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? All we
Help
need,
us get that as a channel card.
All we need is a few shares. Put it this way, bro. If we go to a pop-up meet, we gonna let y'all sit in there. If y'all help us get it, we gonna let y'all sit in it. All right? I know that don't sound like a fair trade-off, but it's the best we could do.
That's the best. Help us, help you.
Anyway, man, if you like that video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss no more videos.
And if you missing them, just uncheck
the bell
and recheck it.
That's right. That's right. But until the next one, man, it's your boy Stefan here from Mod2Fame, and we starting off 19 in Rolls Royce Cullinans. But in this Maserati on the way home. We out. We out.